India is entering a phase of unprecedented infrastructure growth, driven by data centers, commercial expansion, and advanced manufacturing. Today's mission-critical infrastructure projects prioritize high reliability, prompt delivery, AI-driven BIM-led design, and modular construction, along with technological integration to meet extreme performance demands, rather than relying on multiple vendors working in isolation. That is why leading organizations choose a single partner, one that takes complete ownership of mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and fire safety systems. Micron Electricals India Private Limited. From design and engineering to execution, testing, commissioning, and maintenance, Micron Electricals delivers complete MEPF lifecycle solutions. One of the most reliable and tested EPC partners with 5 decades of execution expertise and a manufacturing-backed ecosystem that simplifies complexity, delivering predictable outcomes in large-scale MEPF infrastructure. With over 90% repeat customers, Micron is a trusted partner.
Micron Electricals India Private Limited is built on a single principle, engineering certainty, by doing it right at the first time. By combining in-house execution with a strong financial credibility and a complete project lifecycle support, we guarantee uptime performance and business continuity on each day and every day.
With over 50 years of engineering excellence and a proven track record of delivering 200 plus million square feet across 1,500 plus projects, Micron Electricals delivers complex MEPF infrastructure at scale. For example, in data center infrastructure, uptime, 24/7 performance, and reliability are non-negotiable. Since 2015, Micron has delivered 40 plus hyperscale data centers with over 150 megawatts of critical capacity and more than 20,000 racks. From rupees 10 crore to rupees 1,200 crores, Micron operates across high-stakes, mission-critical environments where system performance directly impacts business continuity.
Sustainability is embedded into every project executed by Micron, from energy-efficient HVAC and electrical systems to value engineering that optimizes energy load. Through lean construction management, leveraging modular construction and DFMA principles, we transform complex builds into streamlined, high-quality installations with accelerated delivery timelines. Every engineering decision we make is designed to yield tangible and measurable impact to the client.
Our execution spans the complete MEPF scope, from chillers, AHUs, FCUs, and split units, to ducting, piping, insulation, and complete HVAC systems. From substations, transformers, DG sets, and LT and HD panels to complete internal electrical works. From water distribution to STP, WTP, ETP, and complete plumbing solutions. From fire detection and alarm systems to fire suppression and life safety systems, From ELV, security and IT infrastructure to integrated building management systems. With a presence across most parts of India, headquartered in Bengaluru and supported by branches in Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Kochi, Kolkata, Vizag and Bhubaneswar, Micron ensures execution readiness across regions.
At Micron, we transform complexity into orderly and timely execution. By integrating planning-led systems with real-time analytics, our 8,000 plus strong workforce, including 2,000 plus engineers, deliver flagship projects with clinical precision, scale and pace without sacrificing quality.
Execution at Micron Electricals is not just dependent on individuals. It is governed by institutional systems and processes, ensuring consistency across every project. Certainty is engineered before execution begins. Through AI-enabled, BIM-led design aligned with modular construction practices using Revit for modeling and Navisworks for clash detection, all MEPF services are developed to LOD 400 and LOD 500 and integrated into federated models. This eliminates clashes and rework before execution begins at site, ensuring better coordination, accelerated delivery, and predictable outcomes. Critical factors such as layout planning, equipment movement and placement, sequencing, and access constraints are resolved during design, eliminating costly rework. Direct leadership monitoring ensures faster decisions, stronger control, quality installation, and zero ambiguity. With a strong network of 1,000 plus validated vendors, ERP-driven procurement systems, and full-fledged warehouses across regions, Micron ensures uninterrupted supply, faster turnaround, and timely project execution.
At Micron Electricals, our backward integrated ecosystem brings manufacturing and execution into one unified framework. With Ellen's group of companies, we are well placed to maintain complete control from manufacturing to final installation.
Our goal is Target Zero LTI by embedding safety into every aspect of execution. With advanced tools and machinery, structured safety programs, and strict adherence to protocols, we protect our workforce, ensure compliance, and maintain uninterrupted project execution.
At Micron, design is a promise, performance is a reality. We don't just install systems, we ensure they thrive under real-world conditions, where they operate at peak efficiency in a live environment. Our focus starts where the blueprint ends.
We follow a clearly defined 5-step commissioning process. Integrated system testing validates that all MEPF systems operate seamlessly together under full load and real conditions. With strong financial credibility, a zero-debt capital structure, and consistent high credit ratings, including an A1 rating from ICRA and a financial health rating score of 74 from Rapid Ratings, Micron ensures stability and consistency in large complex projects. Certified to ISO standards, quality, safety, and environmental compliance are built into every process. Micron's execution consistency is demonstrated through awards, client appreciation, and repeat engagements. Micron builds impact through CSR initiatives supporting education, healthcare, and community development. With our in-house technical and professional skill development center, Micron is developing the next generation of industry innovators and fueling the workforce of tomorrow. Micron Electricals India Private Limited is the most trusted MEPF general contracting company.
Complex EPC, MECP projects demand more than just management. They require mastery and comprehensive capability with over 50 years proven excellence. And our integrated approach turns systematic challenges and seamless execution.
Partner with Micron Electricals for integrated MEPF execution with single point responsibility. Think MEPF. Think Micron Electricals India Private Limited.